How to add pages to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how we can create more pages for our Shopify store and be or have people or our customers be able to access them very easily. So those are going to be some of the basic things that we can do, yet very powerful. So let's just go in and get to it. So to create new pages in your Shopify store, all you need to do is just go to your online store from the Shopify admin. And then here you can see we have themes, blog posts, and then third one is going to be pages. This is where we need to go. So you can just go and click on pages. And then from here, we can just go and click on add a page on the top right. And this is pretty much creating a new page for our Shopify store, basically. So just go and click on add page. And then here you would want to obviously just go ahead and give it a name. So in this case, I'm just going to name it test page. And then from the content, you can add whatever you want. You can add some text. You can add some sort of media. It could be videos, images. And we can also add some HTML. So if you want to add something like some sort of widget and you are going to be using HTML, you can just use this option here. So just go ahead and add your content. If you don't want to add any content from here, we can also do it from the customizing section. So from here, all we need to do is just go and click on save. And now we pretty much just created our page. But if people just go ahead and visit your store, they will not be able to access it. Like currently, they won't be able to access it because it's pretty much, hidden. It's not visible anywhere. They can't really access it. So to make it accessible, we can do a few things here. So most likely what you are going to be doing is adding it to the main menu. So in that case, you just want to go to navigation and you just want to click on the main menu one, which you should have by default. Once you click on main menu, you will find yourself in here and you should have home, catalog, contact if you did not mess with it already. And you can just feel free to add menu item, give it a name, which is going to be test page in our case. And we can just go and click on search or paste a link, go to pages. And then we just want to click on the test page that we just created. Click on add, and we are pretty much good to go. Click on save menu. And now we can just go to our online store, view it, and we will be able to access it easily from the top menu here. So whenever people click on that, it's just going to open up the test page here for them. Now, in order to adjust it further, you can just go and click on customize to our Shopify store. And we can just go ahead and click on test page. And in here, for some reason, the template shows blog post, but I'm just going to remove that. Usually, this is just going to be empty. And if you want to add more stuff to it, you can click on the template section here and click on add section. You can go ahead and add your image banner, for example. And it's just going to be added here in a second now. For some reason, it's taking way too long here. But anyways, yeah, it's been added here. And if you want to add more stuff to it, you can also do, again, just add more sections. And it's just going to basically create a proper page here for you. Click on save once you're done, and you pretty much just create a new page for your Shopify store. And if you want to create another one, pages, add a page, and you keep on doing that process, and you're good to go. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.